Welcome to the class. Today's topic is about theoretical distribution, in that Poisson distribution. The one of the discrete probability distribution in theoretical distribution, that is our Poisson distribution. First we will see the definition of this distribution. Okay. So definition, Poisson distribution. So definition of Poisson distribution, first we will see, if X is a discrete random variable with PMF e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial, where x is 0, 1, 2, etc. infinity, lambda is greater than 0, then X is a Poisson variate, and distribution of X is a Poisson distribution. Distribution of X is a Poisson distribution. We know that if X is a discrete random variable, since this is a discrete probability distribution, so X is a discrete random variable with PMF, E is nothing but our exponential e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial, where x is 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinity, and here lambda is always greater than 0, that is it will take only positive values, then X is a Poisson variate and distribution of X is a Poisson distribution. And some examples for this Poisson distributions are number of deaths occurring in a city in a day, per day if the city, in a city, number of deaths occurring, number of road accidents occurring in a city in 1 week, how many accidents have happened, that we can see, number of incoming telephone calls at an exchange in 1 minute, number of vehicles crossing a junction in 1 minute, number of printing mistakes per page in a textbook, number of bacteria in 1 cubic centimeter, number of customers arriving at the supermarket per hour, like this. These are some examples for Poisson distribution. Next we will see the features or properties of Poisson distribution. Features of Poisson distribution. The first feature is the parameter of a Poisson distribution is lambda. Only one parameter, that is lambda. And second is, for a Poisson distribution, already I have written the PMF and this one. So for Poisson distribution, PMF is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial, x equals 0, 1, 2, etc. infinity, and lambda is greater than 0 is one of the feature. And then the next is very important, that is range. X can take the values from 0, 1, 2 till infinity. This is the range of the distribution. This we call it as range of the distribution. And next is, for a Poisson distribution, mean and variance both are same, that is lambda. Mean is equal to variance, that is equal to lambda, and standard deviation is square root of lambda. Only in this distribution, that is Poisson distribution, since it is having only one parameter and mean and variance are same. And the fifth one is expected value of x equals lambda, variance of x equals lambda. This is one of the feature. And Poisson distribution tends to normal distribution if lambda is large. Or lambda is tending to infinity. This is the one of the important condition or a feature in Poisson distribution. If the lambda value is increasing or it is tending to infinity value, then our Poisson distribution will goes to normal distribution, or it will follows normal distribution. See, to solve the problem, this e power minus lambda you will get in a scientific calculator. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now we will solve the problems on Poisson distribution. First one, in a Poisson distribution, if standard deviation is 3, find its mean. Find its mean. Okay. Since they have given the standard deviation, we have to find the mean. We know that mean is equal to lambda and standard deviation is equal to square root of lambda. So, since this is a square root of lambda and the standard deviation is 3, if we square on both the side, if we square on this both the side, so root lambda whole square is equal to 3 square. So lambda is equal to square and root will get cancelled, 3 square, it is 9, and this is your mean value. Is your mean value. And next, in a Poisson distribution, if mean is 4, find its standard deviation. Here mean is equal to lambda and this is equal to 4. To find standard deviation, it is square root of lambda, this is square root of 4, or it is 2. So in exam you may get this type of problem for 2 marks, okay, not for 5 marks, this is for 2 marks. Later we will solve some more problems. Next we will solve some more problems on this. On an average, a box contains two defective items. Find the probability that a randomly selected box has, first one, no defective items. Second one, at least 2 defective items. So here the identification of the distribution is very, very important in this. Since in binomial distribution they will give the sample number and the parameter p value, but here the identification of this Poisson distribution is on an average. This is the average value. Average is nothing but mean in Poisson distribution. So on an average a box contains 2 defective items. So first we will solve like this. Solution: x is number of defective items. So, and here on an average it is 2. So our lambda is equal to 2. So x follows Poisson distribution with lambda 2. Then write the PMF. P of x equals e power minus lambda power x divided by x factorial, and your x can takes the values from 0, 1, 2, etc. infinity. Next, first problem is there is no defective items. First problem is probability of no defective. Probability of no defective means probability of x equals 0. There is no defective items. So substitute that. So here it is e power minus lambda. Lambda is 2 and 2 to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial. We know that 0 factorial is always equal to 1. 0 factorial is always equal to 1 and e power minus 2 you can get the value in your scientific calculator. So this is 0.1353 into 1 divided by 1. So P of x equals 0 is equal to 0.1353. And next second one is at least 2 defective items. That is probability of at least 2. We know that at least 2 is nothing but greater than or equal to. So probability of x greater than or equal to 2. Since here we don't know the exact n value, small n value, so I'll take the contradiction, that is 1 minus p of x less than 2. Here it is already greater than or equal to, so here I will not take the equality sign, it is just less than 2, it is 1 minus, and this is 1 minus p of x less than 2 is p0 plus p1. So see here, this is 1 minus of this, less than 2 is 0 and 1. First you have to add these two probabilities for P0 and P1. Then you should subtract that by 1. This is 1 minus e power minus 2, 2 power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2, 2 power 1 by 1 factorial. This is 1 minus 0.4059 and P of x greater than or equal to 2 is 0.5941. This is for at least 2. After simplifying you will get the values like this. So this is at least 2. Next one. In a textbook, on an average 0.3 mistakes per page. If there are 500 pages in that textbook, in how many pages will there be, first one, 3 mistakes, and second one is at least 2 mistakes. See, in a textbook there are 500 pages. In that, on an average value, mean value, it is 0.3 mistakes per page. So we have to calculate how many pages. Here not the probability, how many pages we have to see. For 3 mistakes, at least 2 mistakes. Solution. So x is number of mistakes per page. Number of mistakes, and lambda value is on an average 0.3 here, and this follows this x follows Poisson with 0.3. So write down the PMF. PMF is P of x equals e power minus lambda power x by x factorial, and x takes the value 0, 1, 2, etc. infinity. Then the first problem says that we have to see the, we have to find how many pages for 3 mistakes. So probability of 3 mistakes, that is x equals 3, probability of x equals 3. So this is e power minus 0.3, 0.3 power 3 divided by 3 factorial. This is 0.7408 into 0.027 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 factorial is 6. So probability of x equals 3 is 0.0033. Here they are asking about their, they wanted to find how many pages, number of pages they want, and here n is equal to, capital N is equal to 500. Okay, so multiply this probability with 500. So among 500 pages, 500 into 0.0033, this is 1.65 or approximately 2 pages. Approximately 2 pages. Among 500 pages, this is the, among 500 pages, per page, 2 pages will have only 3 mistakes. And next is, second one is at least 2 mistakes. Probability of at least 2 mistakes. Probability of at least 2 mistakes is nothing but p of x greater than or equal to 2, or it is 1 minus p of x less than 2. So this will implies, or this is equal to p of x less than 2 is this is 1 minus p0 plus p1, and this is 1 minus e power 0.3 to the power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 0.3 power 1 by 1 factorial, and the values are 1 minus 0.7408 plus 0.22224, and this is 1 minus 0.96304. First you have to add the number, then you should subtract with 1. So probability of x greater than or equal to 2 is 0.3696, and among 500 pages, it is 500 into 0.3696, and this is equal to 18.5 or approximately 19 pages. So for this it will be a 19 pages. At least 2 mistakes means it can be greater than or equal to 2 mistakes. For that, among 500 pages, 19 pages will having that. Okay, and next one. On an average, a typist makes 2 mistakes per page. 2 mistakes per page. Find the probability that a page typed by him has, first one, 2 mistakes, second one, at most 1 mistake, on an average they have given, so it is a Poisson distribution. Solution is x is number of mistakes. Number of mistakes, and here on an average typix makes 2 mistakes per page. On an average 2 mistakes, so lambda is equal to 2. So x follows Poisson distribution with 2, and probability we have to find the probability. So write on the PMF. P of x equals e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. X can take the values 0, 1, 2, etc. infinity. And the first problem is probability of 2 mistakes. Probability of 2 mistakes, that is P of x equals 2. It is e power minus 2, 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 factorial. And this is 1353 into 4 by 2. So P of x equals 2 is 0.2706. 2706. And second one is probability of utmost. Utmost is less than or equal to. Utmost is less than or equal to. So it is probability of x less than or equal to 1 mistake. Here this is less than or equal to, less than 1 is 0, that is P0, equal to 1, so it is P of x equals 1. It is e power minus 2, 2 to the power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2, 2 to the power 1 by 1 factorial, and this is 0.1353 plus 0.2706, this is 0.4059. This is our probability of x less than or equal to 1, or for utmost 2 mistakes. Utmost 2 mistakes. Next one. It has been found that on an average 4 patients visit a doctor during 1 hour. What is the probability that during a particular hour more than 2 patients visit the doctor? See, in a particular hour we are going to find the probability of visiting a doctor. So here x is nothing but number of patients visiting the doctor. And here on an average 4 patients, so lambda is equal to 4, so this x follows Poisson distribution with 4 is the parameter. Write on the PMF. P of x equals e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. X can take the value 0, 1, 2, etc. infinity. And here we want to find the probability that during a particular hour more than 2 patients, that is probability of more than 2 patients. More than 2 is nothing but P of x greater than 2. Here they are asking about more than 2, not equal. You just observe that this is the difference between the at least and the more than. In at least we will take greater than or equal to, but here it is more than, it is greater than 2. So I will take the contradiction of this. This is 1 minus p of x less than 2 and equal to 2. Okay, this is the difference in at least and the more. Say in more than, here we will not consider the equality sign. If I take the contradiction, it is greater than 2, then here it will be equal to 2. This is 1 minus P0 plus P1 plus P2. This is the major difference in at least and more. Okay, you just observe that is 1 minus 4 factor 0 factorial e power minus 4 to the power 1 by 1 factorial minus 4 square by 2 factorial, and this is 1 minus 0.1353, sorry, this is I will take e power minus 4 as common, then it will be 1 plus 4 plus 16 by 2, and this is 1 minus 0.0183 into 13. This is 1 minus 0.2379, and p of x greater than 2 is 0.7621. You just observe more than and at least. It is very, very important. Carefully you have to see that. Okay. And in examination you will get this type of problem for 5 marks on Poisson distribution. Thank you.